Hey everybody, Bowling Fool here. So this is a long overdue review. This was not my original ball. This is the ball that I got the wife. This is a 14-pound ball. This is the Black Widow 2.0 hybrid. In my opinion, one of the better looking Black Widow balls that's come out. I believe this came out a couple years ago, if I'm not mistaken. You can get a brand new one for maybe around $145, I believe is what I've seen. So I drilled this up. I'll put the layout on the screen, and I'm excited to go roll this thing, see what we can do with this bad boy. This is the wife's old ball that she doesn't bowl anymore, so I took it from her and I drilled it up for me. Woo, holding on the edge there. Ah. Oh, boom. Coming back, getting that 5. Bam. Very good shaping ball. I like it. 28. Oh, look at that, huh? Another sloppy one, but you know what? A strike is a strike, folks. You got to take it and run. There we go. Get in there. Bam. A little too slow. All right, stand on 27. There we go. All right, 27. Got lucky. All right, so we got a 255 with the Black Widow 2.0 hybrid. Not too shabby. There she is in all her glory. Boom. So beautiful looking ball. This is a single plug. Can you see the plugs? Right there. So I think I like this ball. Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, not a bad ball, I should say. I should have bought this ball a long time ago. I don't know why I didn't. But I bought this for the wife, and now it is mine. This is a 14-pound. And I'm pretty happy with the results of this ball. So my layout is 60 by 4 by 30. And I'm pretty happy with the way this thing rolls, especially for the drier lane conditions. I could probably get away with using this on medium oil conditions. I don't know about fresh oil, but maybe medium to maybe game 2 or 3, I could probably pull this out. So let me know if you guys have the Black Widow Hybrid 2.0 and if you like it. I believe it's one of Hammer's top selling balls right now still, and it came out, I believe, a couple years ago. So if you like the video, make sure to give me a like, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody.